had to let the weeds out on their own for a couple hours. My uncle came by. He had to go fix, I think, one section of fencing down there at the pasture. So I did a little fence repair this morning. And we'll come back and go out to the weeds. We'll be back. Work cut out, fellas. Not too bad. Should be quick. Not bad. Some makeshift T-post whips. A little for before. I have to insert that. 1, 2, 3. That is it. We got a 2-for-1 this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cool thing about raising sheep and goats. Oh look, this rarely happens. We got a lamb and a goat stuck. Don't tell me they got stuck in the same. Oh man, they did. This is gonna be a tough one to release. Look at this. Say hello, Daisy. Well, I think we gotta let the lamb out first and then the goats.